Okay, this is how you use the little kind of makeshift isolation booth here. To put on the H4n, you hold this button over here down until you see the screen come on. Takes a second for the screen to, or the card to read, so it's gonna say now loading. Might say that for a couple minutes. So as it's going there, you want to have your iPhone or whatever you have, the song that you can hear it in your headphones. So as you have the song in your headphones, you have the lyrics right here, or ideally you've just know the song in general, and you're going to be right here. You're going to hear a difference in the tone once you get to right here, but you want to lean over and be here. You don't want to be out right over here. It's too echoey. You want to be in right here. You also want to just make sure that there's no excess audio around, and you just want to speak into the microphone like this, okay? So this is just loaded now. In order to record, you need to first have this set to 1, 2. These two lights right here need to be red, just like they are right now. Then you need to note what the name of the audio is right here. So in this case, if you get close, you can see that it's mono-073. You click the record button and it starts blinking. It is not actually recording right now. I repeat, it's not actually recording. To record, you hit it one more time, and now you're going to see the levels, you're going to see these numbers rolling, and it's actually, once you hit the record, it's mono 060 now, okay? Mono 060 is the name of it. Make note of the name of it, what take it is. Have these solid red, now it's recording. So now I can go and sing my song.